Hi guys! Welcome back. It's Migs again. So, for today, nasa kwarto ako right now sa aming pinagtutulayan na staycation. And let me give you a short tour. And here we have a thing for double deck. I have my camera right here. And we have electric fan. And my own personal kwarto for today. So, kakagising ko lang talaga kasi it's pretty tiring. And later, gagala kami ng aking mga friends. And yun lang. So, I think mag-aayos muna ako saglit. And see you later.
Eko! Eko! Ano ba yan, Eko? Aga-aga. Hindi pa nagsasaing.
Vlogging.
Ang vlogging. Wala kang mararating dyan. Tigil mo yan. Saing ka doon.
Yes! Hi guys! Mabuhay! It's me again. It's me. So today I'm gonna show you a day in my life. So medyo maulan right now pero don't worry, today is going to be a great day. So let's go! So, hi guys! It's me again. So nandito kami sa pinagtutuluyan naming staycation right now. Hi! So, ayun nga. Since I don't know what's gonna happen. Para baka mag-swim kami later. And so yan, umupo na sila. So yun nga guys, mamaya na lang. I'll update you guys later. Bye-bye!
Uy, sa December 30 na, pag di kayo pumunta, anong meron? Talaga ba, Sophia? Uy, Eme lang.
Ikaw ba, Eko? Pupunta ka?
Pupunta yan. Naka-oo na yan sa akin last month eh.
Ano po anong balita? Iniusap ka daw ni Mama. Kaya nga, ano nangyari?
Wala yun.
Sabi ni Ma'am, hindi rin magandang nangyari sa grades ko. Pababara ko sila ng pababa.
Pupunta kaya yun? Pupunta yun. Wala ka pumunta siya.
Pwede kayo eh. Dumagda ka naman!
Hi guys! So I have a new product from Mr. Tumblr. And then,
Ano naman ba yan? Ang gulo-gulo naman ng bahay. Nag-vlog ka na naman, Eko. Inuna mo pa yan kaysa maglinis ng bahay. Tandaan mo sa kote mo, wala kang mararating dyan. Makikituloy ka na nga lang, wala ka pang ambag.
Kailan ka uwi na?
Eko, konting tiis pa ha. Gaya ng pangako ko sa'yo, magkakasama-sama din tayong pamilya. Papasensya na anak ha. Alam mo namang kailangan kong umalis para sa atin.
Ay ma, napapanood mo ba yung mga sinisend ko sa yung vlog ko?
Ay, oo naman. Ang pogi-pogi na ng anak ko. Miss na kita.
Yan, sana magustuhan niyo. Nga pala. Makakauwi ka ba para sa Pasko? Di ko na matandaan kung
Susubukan
kailan
ko
yung Pasko natin.
Pero lagi mong tatandaan na nandyan lang ako palagi para sa'yo.
Miss kita ma.
Hindi mawawala si
Love you po.
Mama.
Ingat ka dyan ha.
I love you too, anak.
Hi guys! So we're here right now para sa birthday ng aming friend. Yan, so we brought gifts for her. Okay, let's go guys! Wow, ang bongga naman. May paganda pa sa birthday girl. Hi! Hi kami! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday!
Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so
Okay,
much.
this is for you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Ayan.
Tara, guys. Pasok kayo.
Okay, papasok na kami, guys.
Yeah.
So,
Pinalo
mamaya na
ko yung
siguro. I'll
champagne.
update you guys
Favorite
later.
ni Sophia.
Bye! Hi! Hi again. It's Mix again. So, kakain lang namin. And now, we're going to dance! Okay, so, I will show you guys our dances later. So, bye-bye!
Eto.
Wait lang
Is this Jericho 1?
Yes, this is Jericho po.
This is about your mother. She sadly passed away last night. We need your contact information for the burial. I know this is tough, but this is for your mother.
Hi, it's Migs, and I just wanna say that lahat ng pinost ko, everything that I posted here sa vlogs ko, lahat ng yan ay may kasinungalingan. Everything is a lie. I am not from a perfect family. I am not perfect. I'm not the good role model that I aspire to be. The sole reason why I started this vlog, why I pretended, is for my mother. She is currently abroad and she sadly passed away. And I faked everything to show her that I'm okay. To show her that everything is fine around here. But it's not. And so that's why I'm doing this for her. Everything that I posted, everything. But I'm going to clear everything na I'm not the one that I want. And that's all. So this would probably be my last vlog. And thank you. Thank you to everything. For the last time, this is Minx. Thank you.